Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful. But this stop scrolling right now, this changes everything. Stop scrolling right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. Tay's single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it delivers outstanding results instantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have Tay best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it sells out everywhere. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this stop scrolling right now, this